So, my neighbor Dave picked up bird watching as a hobby last month. At first, it was all binoculars and field guides, nothing out of the ordinary. But soon, things took a turn. He'd come back from his morning sessions looking puzzled, muttering about sassy sparrows and judgmental jays. Naturally, I had to ask. Apparently, one morning, as Dave set up his gear, a rather flamboyant cardinal landed on a branch nearby and chirped something that sounded suspiciously like, "Play it again?" Dave brushed it off at first, but then it happened again. A blue jay dive-bombed near him, screeching something that resembled, "Try stripes." The kicker was when a mockingbird mimicked his ringtone and added, "Fashion police, how can we help?" By now, Dave's wardrobe resembled a rainbow threw up in his closet. He even asked me if birds could apply for Vogue. But,